In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save videos from a website. So if you have an embedded video like this on a website that you're trying to save, then I'm going to show you exactly how we can do this. So you can see at the moment that if I right click on this video, there's no save as option. So what you would need to do to download this is just right click somewhere on the website, and then we need to select inspect. Now you can also press the F12 key on your keyboard, and that's also going to bring up this developer window. Now from here, we need to click on the network tab at the top, and then in these list of options select media. Now this is going to load all of the media elements on the page, so you may see different things here like images and a bunch of different videos. Now the one that we're looking for will only show up here when we start playing the video. So what I'm going to do is click this play button on the video over here, and as soon as I click that, a file should now pop up in this media column. If you don't see the file straight away, then just press refresh at the top here, and then as you can see now we see all of these different files, and basically the video file that we're looking for here will only appear when we click this play button. So when I click the play button, you'll notice a file appear in this window. So I'm going to press it now. You can see that when the video starts playing, this new file here will eventually pop up. Now this is the one that we need to right click on, select open a new tab. Then all we need to do now is right click on the video, click on save video as, and now what you can do is just save this MP4 video directly to your desktop. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.